In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a chat flow for mobile use in HubSpot 2020. Whether you're new to HubSpot or looking to enhance your current setup, this guide will help you create an effective mobile chat flow to streamline your customer interactions and elevate your service experience. To start, you'll need to navigate to the HubSpot user guide. Open your web browser and enter the HubSpot URL to access the user guide. Once you're there, the next step is straightforward. You'll find the service option on the main menu or sidebar, often represented by an icon or text. Clicking on this will lead you to the Services section, where all service-related features are housed. Now that you're in the service area, look for the Chatflows option. It should be prominently displayed as it's a critical feature for establishing communication pathways. Click on Chatflows to proceed. This section is dedicated to managing all your chat interactions, providing a centralized space to create, edit, and monitor your chat flows. Once you're in the chat flows area, it's time to create a new chat flow. Look for a button or link labeled Create Chat Flow. Clicking this will initiate the creation process, opening up a new world of customization options to tailor your chat flow specifically for mobile use. Now comes the crucial decision point, selecting the type of chat flow. In this case, you'll want to choose the mobile option. This ensures that the chat flow you're setting up is optimized for mobile devices, essential for users who predominantly access your services on their phones or tablets. Mobile optimization is key to providing a seamless user experience, enabling customers to interact with your business effortlessly. After choosing the mobile option, the next step is to click on Set up Chat. This option will guide you through the setup process, allowing you to configure various settings to align with your business goals and customer service strategies. You'll be able to customize the chat interface, set automated responses, and define the routes that customer interactions should follow. Congratulations, you've now set up your mobile chat flow in HubSpot. With these steps, you've equipped your business with a powerful tool to engage with customers on the go, providing instant support and building stronger customer relationships. Remember, a well-structured chat flow not only boosts customer satisfaction by offering timely assistance, but also enhances your service efficiency. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, feel free to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your HubSpot experience. If you have any questions or need further clarification, drop a comment below and I'll be more than happy to help. Happy chatting with your customers.